Can you believe that all of these videos from this channel are created entirely using AI tools? These videos generate millions of views and earn substantial revenue on YouTube. The most popular video on this channel has amassed almost 9.6 million views, with many others also achieving a million-plus view count. Additionally, this channel boasts over 1.5 million subscribers. Absolutely, this is indeed feasible, and you can create videos of varying lengths. In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate how to generate such captivating content using AI tools without requiring a PC or laptop, just a mobile phone. And I will show you the final result in the end of this video. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the details. The video is divided into 4 parts. Part 1. Story writing and prompts. To kick things off, let's generate a story and prompts using ChatGPT. I've chosen a topic centered around overcoming overthinking. Now, let's request prompts to create images relevant to this subject. Part 2. Voice-over. Moving on to the voice-over, I'm utilizing the Play.ht website. You can head over to Play.ht and craft your voice over using this free AI tool. Part 3. Image generation. Now let's generate images using Leonardo.ai. Visit Leonardo.ai. Visit Leonardo.ai. Provide prompts and create images that align with your story. Remember to download all the generated images. Part 4. Editing. Now it's time for editing. I've opted for the Capcut app. Open the Capcut app, merge your images, incorporate the voice, over, and add motivational background music. The final result is now before you.
Once upon a time, there was a boy who was constantly overthinking. He would worry about everything from the smallest things to the biggest things.
I'll be uploading this video to my channel. You'll find a video link in the description below. And that's the process for creating animated stories for YouTube and earning revenue. I kindly ask for your support by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.